Hey you guys, Eva Zacharia here with a super simple craft for today's Weddings Made Easy DIY. It's a heart garland. For this, you'll need cardstock hearts. Here's a quick refresher on how to make them, but click the link in the video description to watch the full tutorial via my paper straw decorations video. You can cut extras while creating the hearts for your straws or just make these on your own. You don't need a ton of supplies for this. Your hearts, twine, and adorable mini clothespins, plus a pair of scissors. I've chosen gold clothespins, but these come in many colors and you can even purchase patterned ones. To make the garland, I pull a piece of twine longer than what I anticipate needing because it's very easy to trim it later. Take a mini clothespin and put the circle around your twine. Then take a heart and attach it to the twine via the clothespin. You simply repeat this process until you have the length of garland that you want. As you build it, you can slide the clothespins around to create the same amount of space between each heart. Then hang it up. I've used clear tape for this. Once the garland is on your wall or your table, you can adjust the hearts again. Check that they're all facing the same direction and evenly spaced. Don't be afraid to get creative. Use this as decor for your bridal shower, your bachelorette party, your engagement party, or even your Valentine's Day bridesmaid proposal party. Be sure to check the link in the video description for another bonus idea on the blog post for what else you can do with these. You'll find more ideas on MadeEasyDIY.com and at Weddings Made Easy on Instagram. Happy crafting!